it's Vera. I'm still in China, and one of the things that I have loved is being woken up pre-dawn, 4 a.m, by the singing birds. Now, how would you respond to that? Would you be excited to hear birds singing in the morning, particularly that early in the morning? Well, I love it. I love it at home, but I love it especially here. And the reason is, a friend of mine traveled to China probably 20 years ago, and one of the things she said when she returned home was that, well, it was so sad because there were no birds. They were in the cities and there were no birds. You didn't see them flying, you didn't hear them singing. Now, quite a way back, China was a very poor country. It certainly isn't now. But back then, people were so poor that they would capture, or they had captured all the birds to eat. They didn't have access to food. And today, because there is more wealth, the birds have returned. So next time you might be feeling that, well, there's something there that is irritating you. These birds are singing, it's too early in the morning. Well, think about it if they weren't there. Next time, perhaps you can appreciate the beauty of the things that are around you, that rather than grumbling about them, think about if they weren't there and really appreciate them. Appreciation and gratitude is the foundation for a happy life. And it's not that happy people are grateful, it's grateful people who are happy. So hearing birds sing, well, there are birds there. You can hear. Be grateful for your hearing. Be grateful for your sight. Be grateful that you woke up this morning, because there are people in the world who went to bed last night and that was the last time they laid their head on a pillow. Be grateful for everything that you have and everything that surrounds you. And be grateful for the birds who are chirping away at 4 a.m. and have woken you up. And I'll catch you next time.